The presentation I decided to watch was by a woman named Jeanette Eckelman. Her message was about how imagination isn't just for daydreamers, it can change your life. Her introduction worked very well, but it was confusing in the book standards. She starts off by saying, this story is about taking imagination seriously. This is sort of a mix between the introduction of starting with a story and starting with a statement, and not a statement in the traditional sense, but a statement in terms of the fact that it is a literal statement. And her conclusion worked very well as well, but it had the same problem, is that it was kind of a mix of the two defined clinchers of an emotional statement and a story again. In fact, her entire speech was a story, but I think what we don't realize is that we don't necessarily need to clearly state our point in order to get the point across. If you have the good enough story, you can tell it and people will understand what you're trying to say. She conducted herself very well. I could tell that she wasn't nervous and that she was happy and proud to be presenting her life story to us. The one thing I would have suggested to her if I had the chance was to maybe tell that one point. I know I'm juxtaposing myself from what I said earlier, but the whole speech I was waiting for her story to end and for her to tell us, this is what I'm trying to tell you. Even though while I was watching the speech I could clearly tell what she was trying to say. Thank you.